So one, if you're going after bigger organizations and they had a phone tree, those people are still checking their voicemail. It's not
Mhm.
like those voicemails aren't coming through, or that call is now being forwarded to their cell phone.
Right.
So I would, I would, I would not believe that they've just, oh well, nobody's going to answer that phone anymore, and they're not checking phone. But I
That's a
find
really
it
good
hard to
point.
believe.
Richard, do you
Second
have
thing
any?
is,
Sorry.
I actually see the direct mail working. The question then becomes, how do I get the address? If you know the person and you know the city they're in, believe me, there's services you can pay like $40 a month to, Google Richard Harris and figure out, granted there's 1,000 of them, but if you know I'm in Moraga, you can go through and say I want that person's address and you send something,
Yeah.
right? People are accepting mail. What happened in April and May when, oh my God, we can't touch the mail. Not true. And this would be a good question. Whenever you get a chance to ask, like as you go at the right time, or maybe you call a friend who's got a job. What's your company doing with mail? Is it getting forwarded to you? Right? Because if it's going into a big organization, again, it's not just sitting in the mailroom. They got to be doing something with it. Now, in a job world, that could add 1 or 2 weeks for it to get to that real person, and so that might be the challenge for you, right?
Yeah.
But I think you can do all these things,
Yeah.
right?